My name is Spencer Simon. I'm a regional engineer here at Midco. Definitely. I mean, the learning curve is minimal, I'd say, at my side of it. I mean, splicing, we can get stuff spliced a lot faster. I mean, when we have incidents that 4-hour window that we have to hit, when we have SWR in play, we can get stuff back on a lot faster, a lot quicker for our customers. Handling it's a lot easier, honestly, I would say, than having to deal with loose tube cable. You don't have the tubes to deal with. Ribbon's pretty robust. You move it around, throw it around the counter, it seems to handle everything pretty good. Support's been awesome. Anytime we need something, we just make a phone call or shoot off an email, and right away they're getting back to us. And if we need something in the field, they have no problem coming out to us and being hands-on with us to show us what we need to learn something. Yeah, so the test equipment, I mean, the FlexScan is super simple. We can just hand that off to anybody. It's very easy with the green and the red. Everyone kind of can understand if there's a bad or a good. Using your scopes, so like it's one click, you're on, and you push one button, you focus, and boom, you can tell right away if that connector is good or not. Like I said, that FlexScan is just super easy to use, very intuitive, and being able to sync that with your phone to send in your reports are very easy and convenient. I usually use a 90S for most of my single splices, but I've used a 70S plenty of times too, and both great machines, easy to work with, very minimal issues, and if there is an issue, one phone call away, and usually can be fixed on site. You don't have to send it in even. Yeah, so anytime I need to make a phone call, our 24/7 number that's on the machine is an easy one you can have. You can call them up, and they're always ready and available to give you any kind of help you need. Yeah, so having those individual gel packs makes it much easier when you need to get in there fast, throw a cable in, throw one out. You don't ever have that issue of forgetting putting something on, or you got to take apart the whole case again. It's very simple to get in there, throw that one cable in, keep doing your work. Or even if you need to upgrade that case to a much bigger case, with the Apex line, you can easily move that from one to the next to just keep moving along and not have to redo everything.